Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is one rat the sign of an infestation? Despite what you may be thinking, if you spotted just one rat around your property, that doesn't mean that you necessarily have an infestation. Unlike mice, rats are known to scavenge further distances away from their nest. A rat can have an established burrow in your neighbor's property and still be seen foraging on yours. What kind of rat you spotted can also impact whether or not you have an infestation. If you see a roof rat, there might be more in your attic, but if you see a Norway rat, it may have just come in from outside. No matter which rodent you've spotted, you'll need to conduct a thorough inspection around your home to confirm rodent activity. Indoors, look in your kitchen, bathroom, attic, basement, and garage. You'll be looking for signs of rodent activity like droppings, smear marks along walls, gnawed furniture, or food crumbs, if any. Outdoors, be sure to check gardens, flower beds, and along your structure's foundation for chewed plants and burrow entrances. If you've found rats nesting on your property, then you'll want to consider that an infestation and utilize professional-grade products to get rid of it fast. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Rats are known to scavenge. Unlike mice, rats are known to scavenge distances. Unlike mice, rats are known to scavenge distances